we'll guide you through how to fix slow Google Drive uploads. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Google Drive account on your computer. You need to make sure you're using a stable and fast internet connection, as this is often the root cause of slow uploads. If your connection is unstable, try restarting your router or connecting to a different network. Next, check if you are using the latest version of your browser, as outdated browsers can sometimes cause issues with uploads. You can do this by going to your browser's settings and looking for the option to update. If your browser is up to date, try clearing your cache and cookies, as a clogged cache can affect upload speeds. In Chrome, you can do this by clicking on the three dots in the upper right corner, selecting More Tools, and then Clear Browsing Data. Make sure to select cached images and files and cookies and other site data. Another tip is to disable any browser extensions that might be interfering with Google Drive. You can manage your extensions by going to the Extensions page in your browser settings and temporarily disabling them. If you have a VPN or firewall enabled, try disabling them temporarily to see if that improves your upload speed, as they can sometimes slow down your connection. Lastly, consider using the Google Drive desktop app, which can often handle uploads more efficiently than the web interface. With these steps, you should see an improvement in your upload speeds. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.